Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beacon in Minecraft. First, you will need to gather the necessary materials. You'll need one nether star, which is a rare drop from defeating the Wither boss. Additionally, collect 3 blocks of obsidian and 5 blocks of glass. Obsidian is found where lava meets water, and glass is made by smelting sand. Next, you'll construct the base for your beacon. This base must be a pyramid made from blocks of iron, gold, diamond, or emerald. You can choose a base of 1, 2, 3, or 4 layers. A larger base allows for more powerful effects. For example, a 3-layer pyramid requires 49 blocks for its base. Once your pyramid base is complete, place the crafted beacon block directly on its center top. You'll immediately see a powerful light beam shoot into the sky, indicating activation. To choose your desired status effects, simply right-click on the beacon. You can select effects like speed, haste, or jump boost. To activate specific effects, you must offer an iron ingot, gold ingot, diamond, or emerald to the beacon. A 1-layer pyramid offers only primary effects like speed or haste. A 4-layer pyramid, the largest, unlocks all 5 primary effects and allows for a secondary effect, such as regeneration or increased power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.